As part of our configuration, analyst roles are concerned, especially from the business analyst point of view, because we work as a business analyst in policy center configuration or business analyst configuration, either in the claim side or billing side. It's always important for us to understand about what are the different business rules we have, interpreting rules, activity patterns, all that stuff. In that regard, so being into analyst role, we need to understand about the configuration audit types. That is something that we are discussing in today's session. Normally, when we trying to understand about audit types and all, generally these audit types will be of multiple types. The one is about the final audit, which configured workers' compensation as well as general liability lines of the businesses in that. At the same time, when it comes to the premium reports and all, which configured the workers' compensation lines of business, followed by checking the audits, like which is not configured in any lines of businesses, all that. So when we are trying to understand from the configuration point of view, we can define and configure whatever the audit types that we have in existed ones, right? So that we can do it. Because most of the audit types then we'll see, which majorly requires the kind of schedules of the audits which are being created for any kind of policy period. Because when we are creating any audit schedules for any particular audit type or the kind of schedule properties which are based on the audit schedule property file for the audit types, all that stuff. In the process of understanding it, it's important for us to understand, let's say an example, I'll give you an example to you so that you guys will understand. For example, uh, any audit schedules which are linked to the property files or any kind of audit schedules which are based on the audit schedule property files for audit schedules of the type, audit types. All these things are part of the examples when we are trying to understand about this. So when we are learning this from the context of the product designer point of view, because in the policy center, as in when we know, right? So we need to design the products, all that stuff. So we can add new audit schedules based on the audit types and all that. So whenever we are working on audit schedules and whenever we want to commit any kind of changes at the same time, whoever is working under the product designer, generally we write the audit schedules to the schedule patterns using different file formats, something like XML files. In policy center, everything that will be written for us. So this is an overall understanding when we are configuring. These are the different types of audit types. Especially, I'm specifying about the final audit type is all about. This is all about understanding over the configuration from the policy center point of view, exclusively for any the business analyst roles. Right? So